Imagine standing in front of the mirror, squeezing that obstinate belly fat while flexing your biceps, wondering whether it's feasible to sculpt your ideal figure without compromising one ambition for the other. You're not alone in this journey. The age-old issue of reducing fat while growing muscle has confused fitness aficionados and newbies alike for decades. But what if I told you that you could do both concurrently, even as a newcomer to the world of fitness? Buckle up, because we're about to go on a remarkable adventure that will redefine your approach to body composition. The notion of reducing fat and growing muscle at the same time, frequently referred to as body recomposition, has been a matter of passionate controversy in the fitness world. Many contend that it's impossible, arguing that you must pick between cutting or shedding fat or bulking or building muscle. However, new study and anecdotal data indicate different, particularly for novices. The secret lies in understanding the science underlying body composition changes and applying a strategic strategy that includes healthy diet, effective exercise, and lifestyle improvements. Let's start by getting into the principles of fat reduction and muscle building. Fat loss happens when you generate a calorie deficit, meaning you consume less calories than your body burns. On the other side, muscle building often demands a calorie surplus, when you eat more calories than your body needs for maintenance. At first appearance, these two processes seem incompatible. How can you be in a deficit and a surplus simultaneously? The solution lies in the body's extraordinary capacity to adapt and the unique advantages that novices enjoy in their fitness journey. When you're new to resistance training and good diet, your body is poised for dramatic changes. This occurrence is commonly dubbed newbie gains, and it's a fantastic chance to modify your body. As a novice, your muscles are particularly receptive to the novel stimulation of resistance exercise, allowing for rapid muscular gain even in a minor calorie deficit. Additionally, your body fat reserves may act as an energy source to drive muscle development, assuming you have adequate body fat to begin with. To maximize on this window of opportunity, you need to concentrate on establishing the optimal environment for your body to lose fat and grow muscle simultaneously. This begins with your nutrition. While standard bulking and cutting cycles focus substantial increases in calorie intake, body recomposition demands a more subtle approach. You'll want to strive for a little calorie deficit or maintenance level, depending on your starting position and objectives. Begin by calculating your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE, which is the quantity of calories your body burns in a day. There are several online calculators and algorithms to assist you estimate this, but bear in mind that they are simply beginning points. You'll need to monitor your progress and modify appropriately. Once you have your TDEE, attempt to eat roughly 10 to 20% less calories than this figure. This slight deficit allows for progressive fat reduction while supplying enough energy to sustain muscle development and repair. The content of your food is just as significant as the calorie quantity. Protein takes center stage in body recomposition, playing a critical role in both muscle development and fat removal. Aim for 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This greater protein consumption helps sustain muscle mass during fat loss, boosts muscle development, and enhances satiety, making it simpler to keep to your calorie targets. Carbohydrates and lipids are likewise needed, although their ratios may be more varied. Carbs are especially crucial for fueling strenuous exercises and aiding muscular development. Aim for roughly 2 to 3 grams of carbs per kilogram of body weight, concentrating on complex carbohydrates such whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These give prolonged energy and necessary nutrients. Fats should make up the remaining of your calories, with a focus on healthy sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty seafood. Mealtime and frequency may also play a part in body recomposition, although their impact is typically over. For novices, the most crucial component is consistency in reaching your daily calorie and macronutrient objectives. That said, distributing your protein intake evenly throughout the day and taking a meal comprising protein and carbohydrates before and after your exercises will assist improve muscle development and recovery. Now that we've built the dietary framework, let's move our emphasis to the workout part of body recomposition. Resistance exercise is the cornerstone of muscle gain, and it's equally vital for fat removal. When you participate in strength training, you cause micro breaks in your muscle fibers. As your body heals these fractures, it creates stronger, bigger muscles. This process needs energy, which may come from both the food you consume and your body's fat storage. For novices, a full body training plan done 3 to 4 times per week is a great beginning point. This frequency provides for appropriate recuperation while giving enough stimulation for muscular development. Focus on complex exercises that target several muscular groups simultaneously, such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, rows, and overhead presses. These actions not only develop muscle more effectively, but also burn more calories compared to solitary workouts. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise, intending to slowly increase the weight or reps over time. This gradual stress is necessary for continuing muscle development and strength increases. As you get more skilled, you may experiment with various rep ranges and training splits to keep pushing your body. While weight training should be your major emphasis, integrating moderate cardiovascular exercise may accelerate fat reduction and improve overall health. However, it's vital to achieve a balance to prevent interfering with muscle development. 2 to 3 20-minute bouts of moderate intensity exercise per week is a decent beginning point. You may select for activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, may also be an excellent strategy for fat reduction, but use it carefully as a beginning to prevent overtraining. Recovery is frequently underestimated, yet plays a critical function in body recomposition. Adequate sleep, generally 7 to 9 hours each night, is crucial for muscle regeneration, hormone control, and overall well-being. Lack of sleep may impede muscle development and make it tougher to shed weight by changing hunger hormones and diminishing insulin sensitivity. Stress management is another crucial part of healing. Chronic stress may spike cortisol levels, which can contribute to increased fat accumulation, especially around the stomach, and inhibit muscular building. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your schedule, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing techniques. Hydration is also crucial for both fat reduction and muscle building. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, more if you're really active or live in a hot region. Proper hydration boosts metabolism, helps transfer nutrients to your muscles, and may even help lessen appetite. As you commence on your body recomposition journey, it's vital to have reasonable goals and a mechanism to measure your progress. Remember that changes in body composition might be sluggish, particularly when you're attempting to attain two contradictory objectives concurrently. Don't depend entirely on the scale, since it doesn't reveal the complete picture. Your weight could remain the same or even rise slightly as you grow muscle, even while shedding fat. Instead, utilize a variety of ways to analyze your development. Take progress photographs every 2 to 4 weeks, as visual improvements might be more evident than numbers on a scale. Measure your body circumferences, including your waist, hips, chest, and limbs. These measures may reflect changes in muscle size and fat reduction. If feasible, having your body fat percent evaluated frequently using procedures like DEXA scans, bioelectrical impedance, or skin fold calipers. Keep a workout record to monitor your strength increases. As a beginning, you should observe regular gains in the weights you can lift or the number of repetitions you can accomplish. This improvement is a clear sign that you're growing muscle, even if the scale isn't moving. It's also crucial to be patient and consistent. Body recomposition is not a fast cure, but a continuous process that demands attention and effort. You could observe some quick improvements in the first few months, owing to the beginner gains we described previously. However, development will certainly slow down with time. This is typical and doesn't indicate you're doing anything wrong. If you find yourself plateauing, it may be time to review and change your strategy. This might include modifying your calorie intake, altering up your training program, or addressing lifestyle variables like sleep or stress that could be holding you back. Remember, your body is continuously adjusting, therefore your approach should develop too. One frequently ignored part of good body recomposition is mentality. Developing a positive, growth-oriented mentality may make a major impact in your trip. Instead of seeing your exercises as a chore or your diet as a constraint, try to reframe them as investments in your health and well-being. Celebrate minor triumphs along the road, whether it's achieving a new personal record in the gym or seeing your clothing fitting better. It's also essential to surround oneself with encouraging individuals who promote your aspirations. This might include finding a workout companion, joining a fitness group online or in person, or just discussing your objectives with friends and family who can give support. As you proceed in your body recomposition journey, you'll certainly experience hurdles in times of uncertainty. This is when having a solid why becomes vital. Understanding your fundamental motives for wanting to reduce weight and increase muscle will help you remain motivated when the going gets difficult. Maybe you want to enhance your health, raise your confidence, or set a great example for your children. Whatever your reasons, keep them at the forefront of your mind. Another essential to long-term success is identifying strategies to make your new lifestyle sustainable. This includes selecting nutritious meals you actually love, rather than pushing yourself to eat items you loathe simply because they're healthy. Experiment with various recipes and cooking techniques to make your meals both healthful and enjoyable. The same applies for your exercises. If you despise coming to the gym, investigate different types of exercise until you discover something you look forward to. Flexibility is also vital for sustainability. While consistency is crucial, being excessively rigorous might lead to exhaustion or feelings of deprivation. Allow yourself some freedom in your diet, possibly with a monthly free meal when you loosen your dietary requirements a little. This may help fulfill cravings and make your entire diet seem less restricted. Just be aware not to let one free meal morph into a whole day of excess. As you start seeing results, you may be tempted to speed your success by significantly decreasing calories or increasing up your exercise intensity. However, this method typically backfires, leading to exhaustion, muscle loss, and a sluggish metabolism. Trust the process and concentrate on creating consistent, sustained development. It's also worth mentioning that although body recomposition is attainable for most novices, individual outcomes might differ dependent on variables including genetics, age, gender, and starting point. Some individuals could observe remarkable improvements in a short period, while others might grow more slowly. This doesn't imply one individual is doing better than the other. Everyone's path is unique. As you get more skilled in your fitness quest, attaining simultaneous fat reduction and muscle building becomes more tough. Your body gets more efficient and flexible, needing more specific diet and exercise plans to continue making development. This is where periodization cycling between periods of minor excess for muscle building and slight deficit for fat reduction might be advantageous. However, as a beginning, you have the benefit of being able to make big modifications without having to resort to these more complex approaches. One facet of body recomposition that frequently gets forgotten is the necessity of appropriate form and technique in your exercises. As a novice, it's vital to acquire the perfect technique for each exercise before adding large weights. This not only minimizes injuries but also ensures you're targeting the proper muscles and getting the most out of each exercise. Consider working with a skilled personal trainer, at least for a few sessions, to acquire appropriate technique and build a safe, efficient training plan. Supplementation is another subject that regularly comes up in conversations regarding body recomposition. While supplements may play a part in supporting your objectives, they're not magic pills and shouldn't be depended upon as the major drivers of your outcomes. As a novice, concentrate on getting your diet and exercise in line before contemplating supplements. That said, a few supplements that may be good for body recomposition include whey protein to assist fulfill your protein demands, creatine for better strength and muscle building, and omega-3 fatty acids for general health and perhaps improved body composition. As you proceed in your body recomposition journey, you'll certainly notice changes beyond simply your physical look. Many individuals experience greater energy levels, improved mood, better sleep quality, and enhanced general well-being. These non-scale wins are just as significant as the improvements you see in the mirror and may be great motivators to maintain your healthy lifestyle. It's also worth contemplating the long-term health advantages of modifying your body composition. Increasing muscle mass and lowering body fat may contribute to greater insulin sensitivity, decreased risk of chronic illnesses including type 2 diabetes and heart disease, stronger bones, and higher functional ability as you age. By concentrating on body recomposition, you're not simply altering how you appear, you're investing in your long-term health and quality of life. Remember that body recomposition is not simply about attaining a particular weight or having a certain appearance. It's about building a better connection with food and exercise, learning to love and respect your body, and always pushing yourself to grow. The abilities and habits you establish throughout this process, discipline, consistency, self-awareness, and resilience will serve you well in many aspects of life. As you reach the conclusion of your novice period and start experiencing substantial changes in your body composition, you could find yourself thinking, what's next? The beauty of fitness is that there's always potential for improvement and new challenges. You could choose to concentrate on gaining strength in certain lifts, train for a particular activity or event, or just continue improving your body. Whatever route you pick, the foundation you've developed via body recomposition will serve you well. In conclusion, reducing fat and growing muscle concurrently is not only achievable for beginners, but may be an enormously satisfying and effective technique to improve your body. By combining a smart dietary plan, effective resistance training, adequate recovery, and a positive mentality, you can harness your body's inherent capacity to adapt and change. Remember that this trip is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the process, celebrate your accomplishments, and don't be hesitant to change your strategy as required. With patience, consistency, and devotion, you can develop the strong, lean body you've always dreamt of, all while improving your entire health and well-being. So why wait? The greatest time to start your body recomposition journey is now. Take that initial step. Whether it's preparing your meals for the week ahead, signing up for a gym membership, or just committing to make better choices each day, your future self will appreciate you for the investment you're making now in your health and fitness. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.